To fix an account restricted on Apple Pay, follow these steps. First, understand that a restricted account means you cannot add, update, or use your cards with Apple Pay. This issue usually occurs due to security concerns or incorrect information. Start by checking your email for any messages from Apple regarding your account restriction. If you find one, follow the instructions provided to resolve the issue. If not, proceed to the next step. Open the Wallet app on your device. Then tap on the card that is restricted. Look for a message that says Account Restricted. Then tap on it. You will be prompted to contact Apple Support for further assistance. Contacting Apple Support is the next step. You can do this by calling them, using the Apple Support app, or visiting their website. Be prepared to provide your Apple ID and other identification to verify your account. When speaking with the support representative, explain the issue you are experiencing with your Apple Pay account. They will guide you through the process of verifying your identity and resolving the restriction. This may involve confirming your card details, address, or other personal information. Once your account is verified, the support representative will lift the restriction, allowing you to use your cards with Apple Pay again. If the issue persists, they may request additional information or ask you to try removing and re-adding your card to the Wallet app. To prevent your account from being restricted in the future, ensure that your card information and personal details are up to date. Regularly review your account activity and report any suspicious transactions to your bank and Apple Support. By following these steps and providing the necessary information, you should be able to fix your restricted account on Apple Pay. Remember to always prioritize your account security and keep your personal details accurate too. Avoid any issues with your Apple Pay account.